Hey guys, IBMAT 2024 season just got over, and oh man, the competition. The number of candidates increased, and so did all the cutoffs. Many of you who have just entered class 11 or 12 and are still figuring out कि life में आगे क्या करना है, then let me share that burden with you and allow me to introduce myself. I am Parnika, a second year IPM student at IIM Ranchi. So many of you might be wondering कि ये IPM क्या चीज़ है और ये कौन से IPMAT सीजन के बारे में मैंने बात करी अभी. IPM stands for Integrated Program in Management, and IPMAT is the aptitude test that you have to clear in order to join this course. If we talk about premium institutes, then as of now only 5 IIMs provide this course. IIM Indore, IIM Ranchi, IIM Rohtak, IIM Jammu and IIM Bodh Gaya. IPM is basically a full-time 5-year integrated postgraduate program in which the student is awarded with an MBA degree after 5 years. A student who chooses to exit after 3 years will be awarded a BBA degree if he or she has completed all the program requirements due by then. So it's a dual degree kind of a situation of BBA or BA plus MBA. और पता है IPM की सबसे खूबसूरत चीज़ क्या है? It's a multidisciplinary approach borrowed from humanities, social sciences, arts, sciences and business core. This builds a strong foundation and comprehensively covers all the areas that a future corporate leader would require. Additionally, the program includes life skill courses that focus on students' holistic development as socially responsible professionals. Many institutions providing IPM have also added a system of elective courses. IIM Ranchi में ये चीज़ मेरे बैच से शुरू हुई, मतलब मेरे सीनियर बैचेस के पास ये ऑप्शन नहीं था, and it's probably the best addition to our academic curriculum. Because you see now, you already have a diversity of subjects in your program, and these electives are just a cherry on cake. We've had electives like Build and Brand Your Startup, Media and Entertainment Industry Primer, Complex Numbers, Dispute Management, and their faculties were from institutes like IIM Indore, IIM Lucknow. तो तुम खुद इमेजिन कर सकते हो कि कितना फन होगा यार वो कोर्स. अब ये पूरा प्रोग्राम जितना फैसिनेटिंग है उसका एंट्रेंस टेस्ट उतना ही चैलेंजिंग है. यू नो, गुड थिंग्स डोंट कम ईजली यार. So IPMAT is the bad guy we're talking about. इसमें mostly 3 sections होते हैं: quantitative ability, logical reasoning and verbal ability. अब IPMAT में भी 3 टाइप के IPMAT एग्जाम्स हैं. IPMAT Indore is for IPM at IIM Indore, IPMAT Rohtak for IIM Rohtak and JIPMAT is joint exam for IIM Jammu and Bodh Gaya. Now you'll wonder कि फिर मैं रांची कैसे पहुंची? IIM Ranchi takes IPMAT Indore scores to select their students. And mind you all, सिर्फ written exam ही नहीं होता. There's an interview round for the students who clear the cutoffs. Only IPMAT Indore has sectional cutoff. मतलब हर section की अपनी cutoff होती है. And in order to receive an interview call from that institute, you must clear all 3 section cutoffs. ऐसा किसी और में नहीं होता है. Intake for IIM Indore is 150. IIM Ranchi is 60, IIM Rohtak is 165, IIM Jammu is around 140 and IIM Bodh Gaya is 120. There are other non-IIMs like IFT Kakinada, Nalsar, Nirma who provide IPM program. अगर मैं तुम्हें थोड़ा reality check दूँ तो last year the number of people who got a positive raw score in IPM at Indore was somewhat around 9,000. But this year it was something around 20,000. The competition doubled in just 1 year. That is why it is wise to start early so that you have enough time to diagnose and prognose your strengths and weaknesses. Many people face problem in quads. तो अगर तुम जल्दी शुरू करोगे तो तुम्हारे पास काफ़ी टाइम होगा सारे कॉन्सेप्ट्स को अच्छे से क्लियर करने में and to get a good grasp on them. Because trust me, IPMAT preparation has never been easy, nor will it ever be, regardless कि कितने बच्चे दे रहे हो. So take it from your senior, start preparing well before time to get a good grip on your topics. You'll realize its value when you'll be sitting in an IIM classroom. If you're preparing for IPMAT and other BBA entrances, then do look at our offerings at www.myprepway.in. We have live and recorded courses for IPMAT 2025 and 26. Course content designed by your IPM seniors and taught by the best faculty. So go check it out.